right, so let's look at the pathways all together. So for cellular respiration. All right, so we start with a molecule of glucose, and that will enter glycolysis. So in glycolysis, of course, we're going to end up with some, two electron carriers, but it also ends up, we net 2 ATP. If we have oxygen, we enter the pyruvate, will enter the mitochondria, and will be converted to acetyl-CoA and go into the Krebs cycle. So within that, we get 2 ATP. We also get the 6 carbon dioxide. All right. Then we have all those electron carriers, the NADHs, the FADH2s, and they go over to the electron transport chain where they make about 28 ATP, 28 to 30 ATP. So ultimately, we get about 32 to 36 total ATP per molecule of glucose. All right, so that is the whole thing of cellular respiration. And make sure you can, know all of the pathways, know what you're getting from each pathway, and what we are ending up with total, and how we are getting those things. All right, and that's it for cellular respiration and the oxidation of glucose.